You need to see this. Let's cook lamb cutlets. Let's go. 8 lamb cutlets, bone in, avocado oil, salt, pepper, cumin, smoked paprika. Fold and rub all that seasoning in. Squeeze a lemon, 2 hours in the fridge. Feta dip next, easy. Feta, lemon juice, pepper, olive oil, mix until pasty. Store in the fridge. Cucumber, red onion, some parsley, cherry tomatoes, lemon juice, salt and pepper, sumac, olive oil, mix. For a simple salad, light your fire. Flatbread, salt, flour, yoghurt, 50-50. Knead, portion, flatten, straight on the grill. Plate, and that's how you dine with Didge. Look at that. Oh my god, describing this dish. That's it, it's Didgelicious. Like, subscribe, comment, see you in the next one. Bye.